Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the modem has an active ISB signal. LED patterns usually show ready versus syncing. Power the modem off briefly, remove any existing router to avoid double NAT, and set the modem aside powered off. Next, connect the modem to Google Wi-Fi's WAN port with the Ethernet cable and plug the Wi-Fi unit into power. While the device boots, open the Google Home app and sign in so the app can discover your new unit once it emits its ready LED. Once the Google Wi-Fi unit shows a solid boot LED, the Google Home app will find it. Tap Add Device and follow the discovery flow. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the unit or type the setup code, then create your Wi-Fi network name and password. Choose something memorable yet secure. After network creation, the app will test the connection to the modem. Make sure the primary unit remains powered and roughly centered for best initial coverage, while the mesh configures additional nodes if you have them. To finish, run the speed and connection tests inside the Google Home app so firmware updates can apply and the system optimizes routing. If you don't get internet, power cycle the modem first, wait for its ready LEDs, then restart Google Wi-Fi. This clears common DHCP lease issues. Also reseat the Ethernet cable in the modem and WAN port. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the unit and repeat setup. This resolves persistent config conflicts and lets you start clean.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.